Hello everyone, this is MANVI SINGH. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company. So the topic is copyright infringement and protection in India. In September 2019, Nintendo, a consumer electronics and video games company, filed a lawsuit Romy Universe a website involved in hosting pirated versions of Nintendo games, claiming that the site facilitated the infringement of its intellectual property by offering membership that allowed the subscribers to download game faster than non-subscribers at a subscription fees $30 per year. So on 1st June, RomyUniverse.com was ordered to pay compensation of $2.1 million to Nintendo, which had sought $15 million in potential damage. The judgment brought a sense of relief to the complainant, who feared infringement of their copyright, and came as a warning to those who were involved in copyright infringement. Cases of copyright infringement have increased drastically, and the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic world become of increasing digitalization and internet usage. Everyone, especially the educators, have run headlong into the digital world without a thought of application of copyright law to the work. So these includes work. Which kind of works are included? Which are willingly dedicated to the public, works for the which copyright has expired, the work for which copyright was not renewed. In India, all work published January 1st January 1925 have entered the public domain. The awareness of copyright law has increased immensely among people since the global pandemic hit the world. IPR, intellectual property rights, is playing very crucial role in this fight against the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. On 30th January 2020, when the COVID-19 outbreaking was declared a public health emergency by the World Health Organization, it was decided that all nations will fight together to defeat this pandemic. But a question that arose was whether all countries are free to the resources or countries. There were mainly instances where the transfer of technical known was denied to third parties to manufacture producers essential to fight COVID-19. So in the United States, the governor of the state of Kentucky admitted to difficulties in procurement and manufacturing N95 masks owing the several patients. News like this created panic among the people as COVID-19 cases was ongoing rises in almost every country across the globe. Even the developed countries like the USA seems club about the how the virus could be tackled. So as resolution of the World Health Assembly has worked out in while all the members state of the World Health Organization. The Copyright Act 1957 is the governing law for copyright protection in India. Section 13 of the Copyright Act 1957 is the most important as it provides for the classes of works which copyright subsist. During the ongoing pandemic, there have been increasing cases of privacy, especially in the field of cinematography. Recently, there have been two highlighted cases of privacy. One is the Amazon Web Series, and another one is Family True Man, and the another one is a movie Radhe, You Most Wanted Bhai. But these cases of copyright are not something how to movie industry is in India. So Bombay High Court observed that the visual work is completely different there is no similarity between the central themes of the both movies. Rights both movies was guaranteed. Many movies, many videos goes viral of the performers' work without their consent, which leads to violation of their moral and economic right. Article 7 of the Constitution of the Rome Convention gives the protection to the right of the performer from the broadcasting or communicating to the public without their consent. So, both the civil and criminal remedies have been provided by the Copyright Act 1957 against infringement of copyright. Civil remedies are given under section 55 and 58 of the Copyright Infringement Act 1957. Copyright Act 1957. To avoid infringement of the copyright of the government should taken the following measurement. Though the policy officer not below the rank of sub-inspector has been given the power to seize all copies if they feel that copyright have been infringed, it has been observed through the survey that officers does not pay attention to the copyright that the matter as they give priority to murder and theft, etc. So there is a need to educate the police officer about copyright and law and command them to pay equal attention of copyright matter. Establish a special cell for copyright enforcement in law of the state and union territories. For instance, 9 out of the 29 states have a special cell for the copyright infringement. So there is a need to impose stickers punishment on infringement of copyright. The term of imprisonment should be increase up to 5 years and the fine needs to up to 10 lakhs. So this was all about this topic. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, comment and share.